Welcome back, you beautiful people, and today we have a real gem at 184 Dunbarton here in beautiful Cardinal Glen. We've got quiet neighbors to the north, quiet neighbors to the south, and as always, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who you think might want a home just like this one. What have we got today, Elliot?
Well, today we've got a real winner. We got a winner of a day and a winner of a home. The beautiful sunshine is so prevalent outside, and it's also a huge part of this home with all kinds of natural light with really big windows, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, all kinds of space for your kids, many square feet of living space, just waiting for its next owners.
What a great location within the city, and what a great street that we're on. But let's stop talking about it. We'll go inside and have a look.
Now, coming in this front door here, the main entrance of the home, I love the fact that you're not right into the house. You have this beautiful foyer here separating things, and it's a great spot for greeting friends and welcoming neighbors. And a super convenient powder room right here after the closet gives you perfect access on that ceramic tile. You can leave your shoes on. But that's not the only convenient way to get into this house.
That's right, I can come in through the garage with all my stinky soccer stuff on, head over to the washer dryer and throw it all in there. Or if I've got nice stuff, I can just simply hang it up in the closet. A couple steps up and I'm here with the rest of the family.
And what a great place to hang out with the rest of the family. It has everything. This room is phenomenal. We have super tall ceilings, beautiful big windows, a wood-burning fireplace, all kinds of space here. We can have 2 separate areas for living and chilling, whatever you need. And the flow is seamless. Back up there in the dining room. Don't forget the beautiful hardwood floors.
And this dining room space is awesome. It's great for hosting and feeling like you're connected with your family. You can have some people up here eating, and it's adjacent immediately to the kitchen, and it's right in the heart of the home. Great place to enjoy time with friends and family, especially with the holidays coming up.
That's right, the dining room is right there, and the kitchen is wonderfully placed in the front of the home here with all kinds of space. That's right, you have a big dining room and a big eat-in section here in this kitchen. We have granite counters, double undermount sink, stainless steel appliances, and natural light. I almost need my sunglasses in here. What a great spot to be preparing your lunch, whatever you need, and all kinds of extra storage space here. This home has all kinds of space.
So this 3rd bedroom is on this floor, a couple steps up, but one thing I really wanted to focus on is because we're an end unit townhouse, we've got these awesome windows letting in tons of natural light, and the windows throughout the entire house have been recently replaced. Not to mention, a couple more steps up and you'll see Elliot in the primary.
Here I am in the primary. And what a primary it is. I love the fact that it's at the back of the home, meaning all kinds of privacy. And again, these windows everywhere throughout the home. We love this corner window setup. It's great for natural light. Really makes you feel at one with the nature out there as well. And it's really well appointed with this great ensuite bathroom and a really sizable walk-in closet. You couldn't ask for anything else.
Now this top floor is rounded out by the family bath and this ultra huge secondary bedroom. I don't know if you call it secondary or 3rd, but really what I want you to see is how beautiful the view is out these windows. So just a couple steps down from where I first came in the garage, we've got the storage, and that gives you access to one of the coolest features that you'll ever find in a split level home, and that is for the kids to have their crawl space, and they go and they set themselves up. I love it. I spent so much time in my crawl space when I was a kid. Of course, you've got storage and furnace and hot water tank and all that kind of stuff, but that crawl space, I'm telling you, is so much fun for kids. Not to mention, around the corner, you've got Elliot in this awesome flex space.
That's right, this room can be many things. It's not the only thing flexing down here. My shirt is these days too, it's a little tight. But this room is not tight. We have this beautiful wall of storage and TV area here, couches, sit down and watch a movie, and a whole separate area over there.
And with everybody working from home, having all of this natural light and huge windows in the basement is unbelievable. Not to mention, you can look out into the backyard, or down the way, you can actually see the park. Awesome. So enjoying all the peace and nature here, that's tranquility found on this back deck. Again, I can overwatch the park and I can see the kids playing, enjoying beautiful summer's days.
Or Falls days, because this house is perfect year-round. You can even appreciate the beauty of the nature in the backyard this time of year. And you can also appreciate all those new windows from the outside too. It's a great spot. This deck gives you plenty of space to host and hang out, and you get that lower level there too when you want to send the kids down.
Absolutely. So if you'd like to book your own private showing, as always, give us a phone call. The number 1-888-REAL-585. And until then, keep it real.
Collective.
See, this is what I mean. We got a park, splash pad, ravine right there. Elliot's got an adult swing. What more could you want than 184 Dunbarton? Woo! This